Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor WordPress plugin issues. If you've been experiencing glitches, loading problems, or conflicts with your Elementor page builder, this simple troubleshooting method will help you identify and resolve the issue quickly. Let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything on your site. So head over to your site's URL followed by /wp-admin. Enter your username and password to access the dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar where all your main WordPress options are located. Click on Plugins, and from the submenu that appears, select Installed Plugins. This will bring up a complete list of all the plugins currently active on your site. Now here's the key step to isolating what's causing your Elementor issues. You're going to temporarily deactivate all other plugins while keeping Elementor active. This helps determine if another plugin is creating a conflict with Elementor. To do this efficiently, look at the top of your plugins list where you'll see a checkbox. Check the box next to all plugins except Elementor and Elementor Pro if you have the Pro version installed. This is crucial because you want to keep Elementor active while testing everything else. With all the other plugins selected, look for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu at the top of the plugin list. Click on it and select Deactivate from the options. Once you've selected Deactivate, click the Apply button right next to it. This will instantly deactivate all the selected plugins except Elementor. Now test your Elementor editor to see if the issue persists. If the problem is gone, you've confirmed that one of those deactivated plugins was causing the conflict. You can then reactivate them one by one, testing Elementor after each activation to pinpoint the exact plugin causing trouble. And there you have it, you've successfully isolated potential plugin conflicts affecting Elementor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.